Foot number 4 is the zipper foot. So I'm going to show you how you can put a zipper on really easy. You don't have to tell anybody how easy this is, but it really doesn't take much. Now, there is a trick, and I have noticed sometimes people put this on backwards, because you actually can attach it backwards. Just make sure you can read the foot number 4 and that those 3 little points are pointing to the back. The reason that there's 3 is because this is set up with a dual feed or IDT option. You'll either attach it on the left side or the right side. And then there's a groove for that IDT depending on what side you're working on. So if I'm putting this zipper along this edge of my fabric, I'm gonna want to attach it over here on the left side. And then I can stitch really close to that edge. I can also move my needle position if I need to get closer to the zipper. But just the fact that you can set the presser foot down and get nice and close without a lot of work. We're just gonna leave it at kind of the default settings here and stitch your zipper right side down to the fabric. So let's just see. Usually once I stitch a zipper, I usually take it to my iron and press it open. So once I press it, then I can come back over the top of it with some top stitching. Now if I put this back in, I notice that now I'm not on the correct side. My foot just needs to be shifted. So I'm gonna disengage or take the foot off, move it over, and then align with the fold that I'm stitching. Now if I'm not close enough with my needle position, I can actually move the needle position, even move it while I'm stitching, so I can really kind of dial that in to get nice and close to the edge for the perfect top stitch. And that dual feed, oh my goodness, that just keeps everything working so nice. Okay, so there's a simple top stitch to the zipper. If I was doing this for the other side of maybe a bag, then you're just going to repeat, put everything right sides together. I like to sew with the zipper on top, so come back over here, switch the foot back to the other side, and repeat.